Yes, good morning, friends. Now, still, we are in the operators only. Now, the next operator is called as some. We are using some special operators in C. So, the C provides some following are the some special operators called as comma operator, size of operator, address operator, dereferencing operator, dot operator, and arrow operator. The first one is comma operator. Comma operator is basically associated with for statement, right? It's basically associated with the statement. Yes, why we are using the comma operators? What is the use of that? We will see here with example also. See, it is also used to link two or more related expressions together. Yes, for example, write a program to illustrate comma operator. Yes, here we are going to use some comma operators. How we are using the comma? Preprocessor directive, open the main function, then declaration part, a comma b comma temp. It's a temporary variable. See, b is equals to a equals to 20 comma a plus b. See, this comma we are using here, right? Comma operator. Now printf a is percentage d, printing a, and b equal to percentage d. So use the b. So here we are printing the value before the swapping. Now temp is equals to a comma a is b comma b is temp. So printf a is percentage d, b is percentage d. After that print a and b. So here we are printing the value before after the swapping, here before the swapping, and we are swapping the values by using operator called as comma. See here, a is 20, b is 30 before the swapping, and after the swapping a become 30 and b become 20. Here this is a temporary variable we took for the swap, right? See, for example, if a is having a value called 20 and b is called as 30. See, just look at here, a is 20 and b is 30, right? Now I want to exchange both the values. Means in a we are going to put the value of 30, means the value of b. In b I want to put the value of a, means 20. So to exchange both the values a and b, we need another one thing, that is another variable that is called as temporary. Because first I want to put the value in the temporary, then it become a become free. After that I want to exchange the I want to put the b value into the a, because a became empty when I put the value of a in the temporary. So after that I put the value of b in a, again b become empty. Now whatever the value of a is there in the temporary, that value I'll put in b. So like this I want to exchange the value of a and b. So to exchange the value of a and b, we need another one variable called as temporary variable. This is called as swapping. Yes, now comes to the next operator called as size of operator. So here the size of operator returns the size of operand. Yes, it only shows the size of the operand. For example, we will see in the next. So it is a function, therefore it is written in the lowercase letters. Those size of you can written in the lowercase letters only, because it is a function. The operand may be a constant or maybe a variable or maybe a data type. Now the general syntax is size of operand, right? So if I write like this, size of operand, it will return the size of that operand. See, for example, x is equals to size of integer, y is equals to size of sum. So it return the value, we return the size of that integer type or this type, right? We will see one of the example. Write a program to illustrate the size of operators, right? By using the example we will see the size of operator. See, first open the preprocessor directive and the main function, open the brace. Now integer x, float, declaration, just I am declaring here integer type is x, float type is y, and the character type is ch is equals to y. Now x is 10, I assigned the value, and y is 100, right? Now the printf the size of x, printf the size of y, printf the size of character. So here it can print the size of x is 2, size of y is 4, and the size of character is 1. So for this, to find the size of the operand, we are using the operator called as size of operator. Now the next special operator is called as address operator. Yes, what it finds, what is address operator, we will see here. See, the address operator in C is a special unary operator that returns the address of the variable. What it going to return? It returns the address of the variable, right? The size of operator returns the size of the operand, but the address operator is going to return the address of the operand where it stores, right? Where it located, and it is denoted by a symbol called as ampersand. This operator returns an integer value which is the address of its operand in the main memory or in the main memory location. The general syntax is only write this much, that is ampersand and operand, right? Which operand you are going to write before the after the symbol called as ampersand, right? Here ampersand a means it returns the address of the a where it locates in the memory, right? Now just look at the small example of this by using address operator. Open the write the preprocessor, open the main function int I declared, and I initialized the value of x is 100. Yes, after that what happens, just I am printing, right? See here just print the address of x. So here I used ampersand of x. This ampersand indicates the address of the variable called x. Now return 0. See, now the address of x is like this. So this is the address of the x where it located in the memory. This is the address which returns, right? Now the next one is dereferencing operator. The next special type is called as dereferencing. A dereferencing operator is also known as indirection operator. It operates on a pointer variable. See, it's also called as indirection operator, and it operates it operates on pointer variable, and it returns the location value in memory. The dereference operator is denoted by symbol called as star, or we can say asterisk. This is denoted by asterisk. Just you remember here, dereferencing operator is also known as indirection operator, and it returns the location value in memory, and it is denoted by the symbol called as star, or you can say asterisk. Now it comes to the next special operator called as dot operator. The dot operator is used for direct member selection via the name of the variable of type structure and union. So it can be used in structure and the union, and this is used for main purposes, that is direct member selection. Now it is also known as direct member access operator. By using this dot operator, we can access the member of functions directly. Access operator. So it is a binary operator that helps us to extract the value of members of the structure and union. The general syntax for this is a variable name dot member, because here you can write the any variable name, for example a dot, you can write the member, so it can directly access the members by using operator called as dot operator. Now the next one is called as arrow operator. Yes, this is the last operator from the special operators, arrow. So this operator is enable the program to access the data elements of a structure or union, and this is denoted by arrow symbol. The general syntax is pointer name, arrow symbol, put the arrow symbol and the variable name. Just write the pointer name and the variable name, which variable you want to access, right? That you can write. And these operators are mainly used in structure and union, right? After that, just I'll give some assignment questions. If you want to just try it, just write the some programs. See, just look at here, one program. After that, I'll give, just try it. See here, write a program to find the perimeter of a circle. The perimeter formula is 2 pi r. Preprocessor, main function, float, pi, that is pi r, and perimeter here variable. So before going to write these programs, first you should know the formula of that, and the second thing is, first you should think that how many variables I want to declare it. Right, here the formula is 2 pi r, so here the variable is only r. Right, pi value, it's already there, constant. Now r is a variable, so I declare r. So another one variable I want, because of to store the result, called as perimeter. Printf, enter the value of r. Scanf, just read the value of r. So write the perimeter formula. Perimeter is 2 into pi into r. So printf, the perimeter of the circle is, perimeter return 0. So just run it, you will get the perimeter of the circle. So like this, if you want, you can just work. You can write just take the assignment questions like this. So that is, the next is write a program to find the simple interest. Write a program to find the area of triangle. Write a program to find the area of square. Write a program to find the area of a rectangle. So like this, these questions you can take it as a homework and just try it. Okay, now to this class, the whole operators of C is completed, and these operators, on the operators, there are 2 videos, and the both videos are very, very important. Don't skip it. Right, just work on it. Thank you.